Grüezi mitenand and Happy Lunar New Year. Tonight, in the festive spirit of the Lunar New Year, Schlarraffenland is thrilled to guide you through the creation of Vietnamese-style marinated pork. This dish isn't just a meal, it's a celebrated tradition during the Asian New Year in Vietnam, embodying the essence of the holiday. Are you ready to taste the flavor of Vietnamese New Year yet? Then let's roll into the kitchen and make ourselves some delicious pork. Naturally, we'll start with our pork. First thing first, take a 1 kilogram piece of fatty, sexy pork belly and give it a good, loving rub with water and vinegar. This step is crucial for that perfect, clean taste. We're going to boil our pork, so let's prepare the bath water. Grab 2 shallots, peel them, and crush them with all the excitement you got. Do the same with 10 grams of ginger, peel and crush it. For 1 onion, we won't be crushing it, just gently peel and quarter it. And let's not forget 5 red chilies. Red is for good luck, and the chilies is just for tastiness. Clean the chilies and slice them into thin slices for that spicy kick. And last but certainly not least, the garlic. Just simply peel thick cloves of nice garlic and your aromatics is ready. Now, let's get back to the pork. On high heat, boil some water and add the shallot, onion, and ginger. Also squeeze in the juice of half a lime for that zesty thing. As the water starts to vigorously bubbles, gently put your pork in. Remember, the pork should always be swimming in the water, so keep it covered. Now, let the pork boil on medium heat for 30 minutes. It's all about patience and love here. While your pork is cooking, we'll prepare the marinating sauce. It's so very simple, yet absolutely delicious. Pour 600 milliliter of fish sauce and 600 grams of sugar into a pot, so it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Cook this sweet and savory concoction over medium-low heat. Stir it continuously and gently until all the sugar dissolves. Then it's time to add the peeled garlic, sliced chilies, and as much peppercorn as you want. Keep everything cooking and let these flavors mingle for about 2 more minutes. Then you can take your sauce off the heat and let it cool down completely. Your pork should be beautifully boiled by now. Once the pork is done cooking, take it out of the hot water and plunge it into the ice bath for 2 minutes. This isn't just for fun, it's a crucial step to lock in those flavors and textures. Then lift your pork out and give it a nice and cozy towel dry. Select a large, pristine jar. If necessary, ensure its cleanliness by sanitizing it with boiling water. After sanitizing, dry it thoroughly to make sure it's impeccably clean and ready for use. Carefully place your pork inside it, then gently pour in your aromatic marinating sauce, ensuring that the sauce completely covers the pork. This will ensure that every inch of the pork is infused with the rich, flavorful marinade and keep it from spoiling. Keep your pork in the fridge or a dry, clean, cool place for 3 to 5 days to let the pork soak in all the spice and flavors. And voila! There you have it, your very own Vietnamese marinated pork for your New Year's dinner. To serve it, simply slice up your pork into thin slices, and if you want some flash and explosion of flavor, use a blowtorch and quickly char one side of the pork before serving. This step is not traditional, but you'll thank me later. This dish isn't just food, it's a celebration of culture and a blessing for an abundant new year. And if you like our recipe, bless us with your like and subscribe for more culinary goodness. And now, all that's left is, and with that, bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and dig in.